Hey guys, it's Thomas. Today we're going to be 3D printing an SD card holder on Thingiverse Thursday number 13. Let's get started. So the model I have for you today is my 3D printed holder for SD cards and thumb drives and micro SD cards. So I've already 3D printed this, no time lapse today. I'm trying and get time lapses on every Thingiverse Thursday from now on. Probably not going to happen for a while though. So for those of you who don't know, Thingiverse Thursday is a segment of my channel where I 3D print stuff and showcase it every Thursday. So this is the 13th episode, which is kind of cool. So, what we're going to need is some things like SD cards, which I have a ton of, like 6 micro SD cards, which this can hold, 6, and I can never keep track of them for some reason. So, if you look at this, then the SD cards just go into the side like this. They go in easy in any spot, any side. Got some SD cards somewhere. So, let's see, you can put an SD card in there, and then you can put a full-size SD card in here. This was an easy print, printed in a few hours. It was printed on my Creality sheet and my only 3D printer, 0.2 Ray and 20% infill. In my Nova Orange PLA filament, my Nova Maker filament, amazing stuff. I can't remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, so finally the last part is the SD card holder, which fits little SD cards of all kinds. Like this simply coding board that I have, and even this huge sound card. They all just go right in. So for all types, I'd suggest putting the small ones in here, which they'll fit better. But wait, there's more. There's a hidden SD card holder in the back. If that's not awesome enough. So, if any of you have a 3D printer, like most of my viewers, and want to print this, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can get this. So that's basically all to say there is for the model. You can click right here if you want to know how I 3D printed this RC airplane. Also, you can click there to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe there or there, and ring that bell for notifications so you can get notified. As always, like that smash button.